Hey guys, Steve Welch here. So I'm sitting in a Camry, but it really doesn't matter what car you're in. Everything pretty much now has something like this, and it's for a very good reason. And I'm going to point it out to you right now. So if you take a look back here, you're going to see like a little cover. And it doesn't matter which vehicle you're in. Some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller, but you have a little cover right there. And a lot of people will be like, what is that cover for? What does it do? What's the purpose? And the purpose is actually really important. So most people don't think about this because we just kind of do it naturally now. You're going to, move the vehicle, you put your foot on the brake. Well, if you don't put your foot on the brake, you're going to notice you can't pull it out of gear, right? So you got to put your foot on the brake, and now you can put it in reverse. You can go out, but as soon as you put it back in park, if you're off the brake, you can no longer come out of gear unless you have this pulled off and you have a tool, and usually a screwdriver, but you have a tool that you push down in there to release it. So why is that a thing? Well, number one is obviously when you're shifting, they want you to have the brake on, so when you shift, everything can kind of get lined up. You can at least get your bearings, see what you're doing, check your backup camera, and then come off the brake and start rolling backwards. But the bigger reason that little hole is there and that little cover is there, so what if the battery's dead on the vehicle? Because obviously when you push in the brakes, you're electronically letting the car know that you hit the brake, and that's what allows that shifter to be able to move in most cases, obviously. But what if you have no power? What if there's, you need to roll a car up on a tow truck? What if you don't have a Toyota and you have one of those cars that's commonly on the back of a wrecker, right? Well, what if you can't get it to shift? What if the interlock mechanism ain't working right? What if there's a whole lot of what ifs? Well, that hole covers the manual release to allow that shifter to shift into a different gear. So if you have that off and you have that tool in there, you've released it, you can now shift it into neutral, usually, to be able to pull that vehicle up onto a flatbed or something along those lines, to where you're not damaging the transmission, you're not skipping the tires trying to pull it up, you're not doing something that could damage the vehicle further, depending on the reason it's being towed, but you're not doing something that can damage the vehicle or damage the vehicle further by pulling it up without it being in neutral. So short answer, what is it? It's a quick release that you can release the shifter without putting your foot on the brake. Long is what I told you earlier. It's really what it is. I'm trying to get it out in 3-4 minutes here so that you guys can understand the what, the why, and a little bit of me when it comes to that, because that's obviously why you watch the channel, because I'm awesome. Anyway, so that's what it is. You guys tell me what you think. Steve Welch here. You guys have a great day. I'm going to talk to you soon. Bye.